Affiliate marketing is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making it easier and faster to earn. This is a huge opportunity. Imagine targeting the perfect audience for your products. Picture writing compelling ads in seconds. Think about automating your entire affiliate marketing process. AI can do all of this and more. It's like having a team of marketing experts working for you 24/7. This guide will show you how to use AI to unlock your affiliate marketing potential. AI affiliate marketing uses artificial intelligence to improve your results. It takes the guesswork out of finding products, writing content, and running ads. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, it can identify profitable niches, predict consumer behavior, and personalize recommendations. This means more clicks, more conversions, and more income for you. Benefits of AI affiliate marketing include increased efficiency and automation, improved targeting and personalization, data-driven decision-making, and higher conversion rates and ROI. Ready to dive in? Here's how to set up your own AI-powered affiliate marketing system. Step 1. Choose your niche. Start by selecting a profitable niche. Consider your interests and passions. Research popular keywords and trends. Use AI tools like Google Trends to identify growing markets. Step 2. Find affiliate products. Look for products that align with your niche and audience. Join reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Use AI-powered tools to discover high-converting products. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Content is king. Use AI writing assistants to create engaging blog posts, articles, and social media updates. Optimize your content for search engines using AI-powered SEO tools. Step 4. Leverage AI advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer AI-powered targeting options. Test different ad creatives and audiences to find what works best. Use AI to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. Real example. Imagine you're passionate about fitness and want to promote home workout equipment. Use AI tools to find the best-selling equipment. Write blog posts and create social media content using AI writing assistants. Target fitness enthusiasts with AI-powered advertising campaigns. AI is revolutionizing the affiliate marketing landscape. By embracing these powerful tools, you can work smarter, not harder. Remember to choose the right niche, find high-quality products, create engaging content, and leverage AI advertising. Start your AI affiliate marketing journey today.